Welcome to the English Conversation Club with Mari and Dylan. Let's study. Today, saying no in English. In 3 easy steps. Part 1. What have famous people said about the word no? Billionaire investor Warren Buffett said,
"Very successful people say no to almost everything."
British Prime Minister Tony Blair said,
"The art of leadership is saying no. It is very easy to say yes."
And finally, the mathematician Pythagoras said,
The word no is short, simple, and difficult to use.
Part 2. 7 fun ways to say no.
Nope, we're good.
Okay.
Nope is a common and conversational way to say no.
O spells no.
If you want to be even clearer with your no, spelling it is also commonly used.
No means no.
No means no can be used when you need to give a strong no.
Yeah, no dice, Rocco.
No dice is another fun way to give a negative response.
How about never?
How about never gives a strong no about something you want to say no about doing.
Over my dead body.
Use over my dead body when you have a strong no to doing something.
Nuh-uh.
And finally, the very common and difficult to pronounce, nuh-uh. Part 3, Shadowing Practice Review.
Take 1 minute to read and repeat with the following 14 examples of ways to say no.
Nope, we're good.
Okay. How about never?
How about never?
Over my dead body. Over my dead body. Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh.
O spells no. Never.
O spells no.
No means no.
No means no.
Yeah, no dice, Rocco.
And today's bonus phrase, not on my watch.
Not on my watch.
Not on my watch.
Thanks for studying with the English Conversation Club.
Don't forget to subscribe so that you can study with our new lessons every week.